Assalamu alaikum. I am your teacher for class Montessori Senior. This is your third lecture. This is your new Oxford Modern English Primer B. Open it page number 18. Today's our topic is these, those. These. For near we use these for plurals. Those. For far we use those for plurals. My name is Simi. I am a girl. These are my ribbons and those are my skirts. These are my ribbons and those are my skirts. These are my socks and those are my shoes. These are my socks and those are my shoes. These are my frocks and those are my blouses. These are my frocks and those are my blouses. Learn this page. This is your English copy. Writing. These are my ribbons and those are my skirts. These. T H E S E. These. One finger distance. R A R E. These are. One finger distance. My. M Y. My. These are my. These are my. One finger distance. Ribbon. R I B B O N S. Ribbons. One finger distance. And. A N D. And. These are my ribbons and those. T H O S E. Those. One finger distance. R A R E. R. These are my ribbons and those are. One finger distance. My. M Y. My. One finger distance. Skirts. S K R I R T S. Full stop. These are my ribbons and those are my skirts. Writing. These are my socks and those are my shoes. These. T H E S E. These are. A R E. Are my. M by my. These are my socks. S O C K S. These are my socks. And A N D. And these are my socks and those. T H O S E. Those. These are my socks and those are A R E. Are These are my socks and those are my my shoes. S H O E S shoes. Full stop. These are my socks and those are my shoes. Complete both pages. Allah Hafiz.